Àwúre, àwúre, kole. Àwúre, àwúre, kole. Àwúre, àwúre, kole. Àwúre, àwúre, kole. Àwa boni Maria wa jale. Àwúre, àwúre, kole. Àwúre, àwúre, kole. Àwúre, àwúre, kole. Àwúre, àwúre, kole. Àwúre, kole. Àwa boni Maria wa jale. Àwúre, kole. Àwúre, kole. Àwúre, kole. Àwúre, kole. Àwúre, kole. Àwa boni Maria wa jale. Àwúre, kole. Àwúre, kole. Àwúre, kole. Àwúre, kole. Àwúre, kole. Àwa boni Maria wa jale. Àwúre, kole.
Hi guys, I'm Oshunfemi and welcome to this Àwúre class where we're going to explore the powerful spiritual technology known as good luck medicine. Let's start with some key points. The word oògùn means magic or medicine, encompassing both spiritual and medicinal practices. What we'll be working here is called Todajú. Todajú means medicine that has been used by our ancestors and is 100% proven. So all the recipes or practices that we're going to cover in this class are considered Todajú, reflecting their effectiveness over the generations. It's important to mention that before using any magic or spiritual medicine, consultation with an oracle is essential or at least recommended. Whether it's with Obi, Erindilogun or Opele, this divination step ensures that the spiritual guidance aligns with the intended purpose, setting you on the right path. So, what exactly is Àwúre in Yoruba? Àwúre or oògùn àwúre describes a class of spiritual medicines used to attract good luck. It is often called good luck medicine, but there's more to it. The term Àwúre is derived from three Yoruba words, Àwá, Wú, and Ire. Àwá means we. Wú means to dig or to uncover. Ire represents blessings or anything that brings happiness. Putting these three words together, Àwúre means something that we use to uncover or activate blessings. It's a spiritual tool that helps us to tap into hidden sources of good fortune, revealing pathways to prosperity and positive transformation. The forms of Àwúre are diverse. It could be expressed through potent words, offer, especially prepared soaps, powders, or herbal mixtures. The main goal is to bring good fortune, be it in the form of increased popularity, prestige, or wealth, by helping to transform or enhance one's destiny for the better. In this class, we will delve deep into how to use Àwúre medicine effectively, ensuring that we activate the blessings. So, let's get started on this journey of uncovering good fortune. There are different types of Àwúre. We have Àwúre Ọlá, which is medicine for increasing wealth and prosperity. We have Àwúre Afaro or Àwúre Ojatita, which is medicine for enhancing client patronage in business. We have Àwúre Eyonu, medicine to enhance love, affection, and rapport with others. We have Àwúre Ashekole, medicine for building of houses. And we have Àwúre Asiri Bibo, medicine for a more easy financial lifestyle or to meet all financial needs. We have different types of Àwúre medicines. And these different types of Àwúre medicines, they come in different forms or different vehicles to bring it about. We have Offa, which is incantation. We have Agumu, which is dried leaves powdered. And we have Etu, which is also a powder, and I'll show you. It's burned and calcinated or carbonized, and it is taken with either epa or water or alcohol, or it is sprinkled on an ekar and eaten. We have agbo, which is herbal or non-herbal concoctions, either boiled or macerated in water. And we have aseje, which is medicinal soup or food. And we have oshe, and I'll show you, which is pounded black soap. Let's start with an offa, a sung offa called Afa Àwúre, for success or good luck in whatever one is doing. Ore mi o, o ṣerere fún mi. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi o, o ṣerere fún mi. Orí ọ̀ka níṣàánú ọ̀ka, orí èrè níṣàánú èrè, àfọ̀mọ̀pẹ́ níṣàánú ọpẹ́. Orí mi o, o ṣerere fún mi. Orí mi o, o ṣerere fún mi. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi o, o ṣerere fún mi. Orí ọ̀ka níṣàánú ọ̀ka, orí èrè níṣàánú èrè, àfọ̀mọ̀pẹ́ níṣàánú ọpẹ́. Orí mi o, o ṣerere fún mi. Orí mi o, o ṣerere fún mi. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi o, o ṣerere fún mi. Orí ọ̀ka níṣàánú ọ̀ka, orí èrè níṣàánú èrè, àfọ̀mọ̀pẹ́ níṣàánú ọpẹ́. Orí mi o, o ṣerere fún mi. Orí mi o, o ṣerere fún mi. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi o, o ṣerere fún mi. Orí ọ̀ka níṣàánú ọ̀ka, orí èrè níṣàánú èrè, àfọ̀mọ̀pẹ́ níṣàánú ọpẹ́. Orí mi o, o ṣerere fún mi. So this offer is to be chanted several times every morning before going out to do any kind of business. This is what we call Àyájọ́, which is word medicine. And we can make an Àwúre medicine that works for your ori. The ingredients are 1 aluko feather, 1 agbe feather, and 1 odidere feather, and a whole pot of atare. We burn everything into a black powder, into etu, and we can add this powder to your favorite perfume or cologne, and you use it as needed. You can also pound this powder with oshedudu, African black soap, and bathe with it while you recite this offer. Agbe nikbe ire pade olokun, aluku nikbe ire pade olosa, odidere nikbe ire pade oluiwo, ori mikbe ire pade mi, Ashe. This offer can be recited by itself as an Àyájọ́ Àwúre, word medicine for blessings, and you do this as much as you like, preferably in the morning several times, touching your ori. And we can make an Oshe Àwúre, soap for blessings and good luck. We take ewe ewuro, bitter leaf, some honey, some salt, and oshedudu. We grind the leaf and mix it with salt of equal measure. We mix and pound it with black soap while adding honey to soften it, and we use the soap to bathe with on Mondays and Thursdays for good luck. So, I hope you liked the first episode of this mini video course on Àwúre medicines. Stay tuned for more episodes with more recipes on Àwúre. See you then!